My Highness says, when you want to ride, don't pick a destination, pick a direction. Because the best map is called your heart. My Highness says, don't ride to escape life. Ride so that life doesn't escape you. Hold on to that sound. Hold on to that might. Happiness is a long, winding road. So switch on your Highness and welcome aboard. Because sometimes you find yourself in the middle of nowhere. And sometimes in the middle of nowhere, you find yourself.
Honda Bigwing presents My CB My Way.